Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp videos not playing. So first of all, if you are facing this problem, you're going to have to restart your device. Once you have restarted your device, check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is slower, this could happen, so make sure that your Wi-Fi is stable and its strength is also good. Next, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below, then select apps. Here, let's go ahead, search for WhatsApp and tap onto it. From here, select permissions. Make sure that these are all the permissions that are also allowed in your device. Give access to camera, contacts, microphone, notifications, phone, and photos and videos. From here, select storage. Let's go ahead, clear the cache. Now, force stop the application for a temporary basis. Then restart your device, launch your WhatsApp, and it will fix your problem. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.